Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you a Snapchat class for absolute beginners. Let's get started. Snapchat is a popular social media platform allowing users to upload photos, videos, and send them to their friends on Snapchat. Snapchat users receive photos called a snap, which will appear on their account for a limited time. Most Snapchat users are teenagers who enjoy taking snaps of photos or recorded videos and send them to their friends. If you're familiar with Instagram stories, Snapchat is the first platform to have the feature of adding stories on their account. If you haven't created a Snapchat account yet, you need to download the mobile app since it's intended to be used in mobile phones. Once you have downloaded the Snapchat app, click Sign Up and click Continue. It will ask your name, so input your first name and last name, then click Sign Up and Accept. Next, input your birthday, then click Continue. This is the generated username by Snapchat. If you want a different username, you can click this link to change your username. Set a password and click Continue. Next, input your email address, then your mobile number. You'll be receiving an SMS verification code, and once you receive it, you will automatically proceed to the next step. Click Continue. Here's a list of your friends. You can add them now or click Skip. Let's add some of our friends on our contact list. Click Continue. Allow Snapchat to access your camera. Click Turn On. By default, Snapchat will open your camera so that you can take your first snap. Let's make our first snap. Let's use these icons. First, add a text. Type in your text, then click this icon. You can tag your friend using the @ icon and choose your text style as you browse this section. Choose the style that you want as you see the preview. This color bar lets you choose from different colors to apply to your text. Just tap and slide up and down and choose the color you like. Drag the text in the position of the screen you prefer. Next, you can use the draw icon to manually draw something on your snap, or click the back icon to erase it. Click this icon to add emojis to your snap. Select an emoji and tap on your photo. When you zoom in and tap again, your emoji will be larger, and as you zoom out, your next emoji will be smaller. When you click this icon, you can see tons of stickers. You can add a location, mention someone, add trending GIFs, add a time, the temperature, and more. Just browse these stickers and choose the one you like. Using the scissor icon, you can outline any object on your picture and use it as a sticker. It will appear in the middle of your screen. Drag it to where you want to place it, or drag it to the trash icon if you want to delete it. This icon lets you add a link to your snap. Just click this button to add the link. This timer icon allows you to set a limit to how long will your snap last. The visibility of your snap will range from 1 second to 10 seconds and an optional no limit to your snap. Let's choose no limit. When you click Save, a pop-up menu will appear. You can save your snaps as memories. Your Snapchat Memories is your personal collection of the snaps and stories that you have saved. You have the option to save your snaps as memories or memories and camera roll. This will also save the snaps to your phone memory. Now, this snap is saved as our Snapchat Memories and also to our phone's camera roll. When you click Story, you will see this pop-up window, so you can add this snap to your collection of stories. Click Add. This snap is now added to your story. Stories are available to your Snapchat account for only 24 hours. When you click this icon, you can send this snap to your friends on the list. This is our snaps, and we have recently saved this snap a while ago and also in our camera roll. When you click this cover, you can add friends here. Snapchat has a list of recommended friends for you to add, and you can quickly add them here. These people are in your contacts list. If you search for a friend, they'll appear in this section and you can easily add them. Going back, Discover is a feature of Snapchat where you can browse news, updates as you can keep up with the latest brands and trends. You can discover more people who added their stories or snaps and swipe to browse more snaps or stories. When you browse these stories or snaps, you can share this as you click Send Snap. Choose from a list of your friends to send the snap to, then click this icon to send it. When the person you send the snap to checks their chat icon, they can view the snap you sent right away. When you click this icon, you'll be able to see your profile. This is the recent snap you saved as memories. This is your username, the number of snaps you uploaded, your private story, your stories that are public, and you can see the number of people who viewed your snap here. You can also add friends and view your approved list of friends when you click this button. You can even create your own Bitmoji. Bitmoji on Snapchat is an icon that represents you. It's like your avatar. Click this button. Choose a character, and below, you can browse the different parts of your face that you can edit. You can choose a skin tone, hairstyle, hair treatment if it's available for that hairstyle, since some hairstyles doesn't have any treatments available. Next, you can customize your eye shape, eyelashes, eye size, eye spacing, and eye color. Next, you can even customize the eyebrows, nose, glasses, jaw, face shape, and mouth. You can also pick an outfit. Then click Save. Your Snap Map will allow you to show your location to your friends or set your location to a ghost mode if you don't want to share your location. Set a Status allows you to share your status with your friends, including your location. You can use a Bitmoji and set a status. This will show your location together with your Bitmoji to your friends. You can even view the number of your friends who viewed your status here. When you want to set it again to ghost mode, click this and your friends won't see your location. You can also turn this off so that your friends can't request for your location on Snapchat. When you click this icon, you'll be able to see different lenses, adding effects to your photo and your face. When you click this icon, you can browse for more top lenses that you can try when you create your own snap. You can see the preview of what each lens will look like as you take a snap. Snapchat is simple and it's fun to use for the younger generation, and it is used by millions to keep in touch with their friends every day. You won't be seeing Snapchat users with the age range of 40 years and above. Stories are available in your feed within 24 hours. You can browse the Discovery section, which is a collection of snaps, and engage with some of the snaps, like in this example, by taking the poll. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching. If you liked this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notify bell to make sure you receive our fresh videos. If you have any questions, you may drop them in the comments text box, and we will get you the answers. You may visit our website at technicforce.com, who create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Feel free to check us out.